Hey, so I have this manicure going on, this really pretty cat eye gel, and I want to make it last a little longer because I'm due for a fill soon. So I ordered some of these. They came in rose gold, these little decals, they're like 3D decals from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. But then I just put it on the nails, and I still need a fill, obviously, but that got me a few more days of wear before I go in and have these filled again. So before I change that, I just thought I would share that that's kind of one little trick you can do to get a few extra days, maybe a week out of your manicure. But I'll be changing this soon. So anyway, I wanted to share that. So, all right.